We are together again with one beautiful Olympic question. What should I do in the first place? With the statement given here, between one pass, I need to provide. So how can I get this? The square root of 10. Let's take minus 3. What will be written in the denominator of this statement? Of course, 1. Then the root with 10 plus 3, let's expand it. In this case, the root is 10 minus 3 times. The square root of 10 plus 3. What should we write on the denominator? Here we can write root 10 plus 3. What can I do later? I can multiply them respectively. What will happen when I hit what comes from multiplying this and that? The square root of 10 times root 10. Squared from this when I multiply this plus 3 times the square root of 10. And finally, minus 9. If you pay attention, these are simplified. What's left in this statement then? 9 divided by root 10 plus 3 has arrived. When we edit this a little bit, 1 divided by, I would say the root is 10 plus 3. Now what did I find here? If you pay attention, I'm actually root 10 minus 3. I'd say 1 divided by the square root of 10 plus 3 equal. Now I think, what can we do next? Because of this statement, I'll change one name like this, root 10 plus 3, let's say a to the expression over x, and put it in our equation. Now if we put it in this equation, what will our expression become? Let's focus on it. Or change the question a little more. If we focus like this,
how would you rate this question out of 10? Could you like the video to make me happy? Thank you.
What did I say later? We can write this x differently. Of course, because of the properties of exponential numbers. 1 divided by root 10 plus 3. We can express x above. And after that, I made one name change here. If you pay attention, what will come when we apply this? Looking at the expression we call a plus 1 divided by a will come 38. What do I do right away? Both sides, I multiply by algebraic expression. What will our expression turn into in this case? A squared plus 1 is 38. If we add a little more to a squared minus 38a, now when I look here immediately, I can't find the roots. Let's go to delta. What was the expression we called delta? Minus 38 squared. Minus 4 times 1x1. Of course, we need to know the square of 38's here. What will come? 1444 will come from here too. Minus 4 from here, delta. We can say that the number we say is 14,440. If we go to our roots now, a 1, 2. In this case, 38 plus minus the square root of 1440 divided by 2. Of course, I can write them better. If I want to separate, so let's take the expression I said a 1 as follows. 38 plus this 1440 number, 144x 10. 12 square of the expression given here, I can write in the form. Then if this goes out 12 times the square root of 10 divided by 2, what will happen to the value we call a 2? We will get 38 minus 12 times the square root of 10 divided by 2 result. If we simplify them a little more, what will happen? 19 plus 6 times the square root of 10? And the expression here is 19 minus 6 times root 10. What did I come now? What expression did I say? Focus on it, look. The expression we call a is here. If you look carefully, the expression we call a is here. Then these are mine respectively. I need to equalize this expression. Let's start with a 1. The square root of 10 plus. Suppose 3 to the x is equal to 19 plus 6 times the root of 10. Now here from an algebraic identity, we will benefit. What is this? Our algebraic identity. If I change this place a little, if I write this as 10 plus 9 plus 6 times the square root of 10. Look, this is very important. Please don't miss this place. Look, the reason why I separated it so separately, to solve the question more easily. Now let's think about this. We had an identity like this. A plus b squared is equal to a squared. Plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. Then if I apply this right away, Look, if you pay attention, root for 10 plus 3. XTH force. Look, I'm transforming the expression we see here. Root square plus 3 squared plus. I can write 2x 3 times root 10. Oh, what did I understand from here? I can say that the value we call x then comes to 2. Now we have passed to one other root. How can I solve the other? What can we do here now? Let's think about it. See part 1. I'm taking root 10 minus 3, and I extend it to root 10 plus root 3. If I expand it, not root 10 plus root 3. By the way, what is this place supposed to be? It should be 3. 3 because of algebraic identities. I can write 10 to 9. Look what came out. Root 10 plus 3 came out. What did I understand? Then the expression I call root 10 3 will be minus x. So in this part of the question given at the beginning, friends, this expression had to be multiplied by the minus of this. If we continue from here now, we will again. What will come before us from here? If I continue, I'm equaling 19 minus 6 times root 10. This statement, I use the same tactic again. 10 plus 9 minus 6 times the square root of 10. Look again, a minus. If we try to square b, squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. Because of this feature, I can tell you what this expression actually equals. The square root of 10, parentheses squared plus 3 squared minus 2x 3 times. I can say it is equal to the square root of 10. In this case, we call minus x2. We can say what x is. We can say it's minus 2. In this case, what were my answers? When we solve this question, what can I say? When we say x1, if a 2 will come. When we say x2, the value will also come to negative 2. I hope this question has been useful to you. Don't forget to like and follow. Please share with your friends.
Subscribe, hey, I'm telling you.
Was the perfect one Olympic question. How many minutes do you think you could solve this question? Please comments. Don't forget to write. See you, bye-bye.